Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add font in your CapCut. This is very quick and easy. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open CapCut and add any video in your timeline. After that, you have to click on this text button here. You can see you have to click on this text button. After that, here you can see option add text. You have to click on this add text button. Here you can see. Now here you have to click on this fonts button. Here you can see. Now here you can see option add font. You have to click on this add font button. Here you can see. Now click on this add font button. Here you can see. After that, you have to click on this plus icon. Now click on this plus icon and open your. Now click on upload file from your device. Here you can see. Now here you have to select your font, downloaded font. Here you have to select your downloaded font. Now click on this downloaded font. Here click on this. Now here you can see font is added in your CapCut. In this way you can add font in your CapCut. Here you can see you can type any text here in your fonts. You can select your font and use this your font. In this way you can add font in CapCut. Thanks for watching this video.